Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the rear batteries and any paddles. This prevents shorts and gives clear access. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 5 visible Torx T8 screws and the 2 small screws tucked under the rubber grips, because those hold the halves together. Carefully pry with a plastic spudger along the seam to separate the shell. Go slow to avoid tearing the ribbon cables. Make sure to note screw locations and lay parts in order for reassembly. Once the shell is open, you will lift the faceplate and gently disconnect the ribbon cables at their connectors so you can fully access the trigger area. Next, remove the trigger assemblies, keeping track of small springs, cams, and potentiometer positions because reassembly depends on their orientation. Inspect for wear, broken plastic tabs, or debris. Clean the metal contacts and potentiometer area using 90% isopropyl and compressed air. This removes oxide and dust that cause poor trigger response. To finish, replace any worn potentiometers or broken plastic parts. For small broken tabs, you can use a tiny amount of epoxy or plastic welding and then let it cure fully. Relubricate pivot points sparingly with dry Teflon or light grease. Reseat the trigger assemblies and reconnect the ribbon cables, making sure each connector clicks. Close the shell, reinstall screws to a snug fit not over-torqued, and test the controller on your console and in the accessory app. If travel or dead zones persist, recalibrate and recheck contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.